breakout trading strategy that's easy to master, works across different assets, and only requires 2 free TradingView indicators. In today's video, we're diving into a breakout trading strategy using the opening breakout lines indicator. This approach is perfect for scalping Forex on a 15-minute time frame, but its versatility means you can apply it to gold, crypto, stocks, and many other assets. Stay until the end for all the details, and if you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Step 1. Adding the opening breakout lines indicator. Open TradingView and go to the Indicator Search tab. In the search bar, type Opening Range Breakout Lines. Select the indicator by the respective creator. Customize its appearance. Open the indicator settings and go to the Style tab. Change the session open price color and line thickness to your liking. Uncheck the boxes for buy arrow and sell arrow. Click OK to save the changes. This indicator highlights potential breakout zones. Above the green line, signals a bullish breakout, buy signal. Below the red line, signals a bearish breakout, sell signal. Step 2. Adding a confirmation indicator. To confirm the breakout signals, we'll add a second indicator. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Select the Trend Alert indicator by the appropriate creator. Adjust its settings. Open the Input tab and set the Rest MT option to 1 hour. Click OK to save. This indicator provides a simple confirmation. Green Trend Alert confirms an uptrend. Red Trend Alert confirms a downtrend. Step 3. How to execute trades. Buy entry. Wait for a bullish breakout above the green line from the opening breakout lines indicator. Confirm the breakout with the Trend Alert indicator. It must show a green trend. Ensure the candlestick that breaks out is bullish. Place the buy order after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent low. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for your take-profit target. Sell entry. Look for a bearish breakout below the red line from the opening breakout lines indicator. Confirm the breakout with the Trend Alert indicator. It must show a red trend. Ensure the candlestick that breaks out is bearish. Place the sell order after the candlestick closes. Set your stop loss at the most recent high. Use a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio for your take-profit target. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more strategies, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Happy trading, and see you in the next one.